All right, let's take a look at a lipo set. And this is a crazy lipo set because it's not a real lipo. It's actually a USB charged lipo, right? So don't plug this on your actual sockets, right? It's not going to turn on. This will turn on with the actual touch, all right? So you have a power button there. And of course, this is for ventilation for the actual heat. It comes with a remote control that you can control the whole unit. And of course, you can say on and just turn it on like that. Very simple. If you lose control, you can always come back and just touch the actual system. You can always touch it, and this thing is changing colors. You go and then you turn it off. Very simple. I like this. This is plastic, so you don't have to worry about breaking it or anything like that. This is perfect for a campground, so you can always screw this into any this little portable socket thing that it has. It's a little hanger. You can put this on your tent. So if you're going camping, your kids are a little scared. This will last you a couple hours too. This is perfect for night lights, walking around at night. And then also you could even put it on existing lamps that are not plugging in. So you could just do like a demo kind of thing. This is perfect. And if you guys can see it, you can kid around with this, magical tricks that people like to do with some light bulbs. This is great as a gift, great as just to have around for emergencies. Your lights go out. This is a perfect thing. It comes with remote control. You could dim it down if you want to. It's up to you, 100 to 50, and then it has minutes too. You can set up the timer here. Of course, you could change the lights, the different tone, three different tone lights. And then of course you can always turn it off and on with the control. Of course, if you're going to display something in your cabinet or something, you can always change the light tones. All right. You could turn it off with the remote. I like it that you could sit anywhere in the room and you could change the colors. So right now it is hanging with the hanger. And then when you turn it off completely, let's turn it off. Completely off here. We're going to turn it back on. And it goes back on. So you could dim it down, remote control. Give you full access on the actual control, which I like. So very simple to use. I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.